It's Mr. Cam here. I'm gonna give you guys an update on the BRZ today. There's not much progress, but for some pretty crappy reasons, so we will go over that. I am back at Marco's shop. The BRZ is actually in the other building. I guess that's where they do all the body work, and then you come to this building for paint. Right here, this is Marco's genuine carbon fiber license plate frame, and he just gave it to me, so I will put that on. I'll have to go inside and get a tool. In case you don't know already, Marco is selling his Civic Type R. The Civic Type R that 99% of you guys enjoy seeing on the channel, that is coming to an end. Freaking Marco. That's it, man. Oh crap, look at that. That's Marco's Wagner tuning intercooler. That thing is massive. Marco told me to come into this room and check out his FK7. So he got rid of his big wing and he already sold it and shipped it off to somebody. I think I saw that on Instagram. Oh my god, he has the stock wheels back on. Those wheels are in mint condition though. Guys, it really saddens me to see this car like this. Although I do appreciate a stock Type R. I do. I appreciate any version of a Type R, really. Holy smokes, the stock wing. Oh, it looks like he repainted it. I wonder why he did that. Wow. Bone stock under here now. No more big turbo. No more methanol kit. So I don't know if you guys remember Dane, but Dane was in the video where I raced the Supra. Actually, we raced too, right Dane?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah. I think I raced everybody that day. That was the only meet and drive that I've had here so far, which in a couple minutes I'm going to tell you details of another one that I'm going to have. But anyway, Dane is over here at the shop and he purchased a bunch of parts from Marco's car. As you can see, he also got this right here. Holy smokes, it got dark real fast, boys. Beautiful sunsets over here in the Tampa area. Next Saturday is September 10th, 5 p.m. There's the Elite Tuner event in Orlando. I'm gonna go. I just decided yesterday that I'm gonna go. So if you want to drive up there with me, or if you want to meet me there, we can all park together or something. I'll figure out details for that. So this is where all the body work is done, huh, Marco?
I'm guessing your car's inside. I don't know how to come to it. I don't know if it's started already.
Oh man. It's been so long since I've driven this thing. Really do miss this car.
So we hold the trim.
Right. Oh wow. What'd they take the headlight out for?
Because you gotta spray the whole side.
Wow.
The fender needs to be painted.
Oh jeez. Holy smokes.
So here's
the windows out and everything.
And this is your door.
Oh, look at that sweet exhaust system, dude. This really is a great car. This whole thing just sucks. Okay. So Marco, can you explain to everyone the holdup on the BRZ with the door?
Parts, man. That's the third door we get, and they always come damaged. You're gonna see when they're out. I think we're gonna fix that one.
So they sent the first door, right, straight from Subaru. Oh, an OEM door.
So you see that one's a little damage in there. So we're gonna fix it because this is the third door, and they all come damaged. So either that or you wait another 2 months. Up to you.
So what do you think? You think I have them, for the sake of speeding things up, make the little repairments on that brand new door that already came damaged and put it on? Or do you think I should tell them, no, I want a brand new door that's flawless and it's gonna take a lot more time? So that's the third one, Marco?
Yeah.
That's the third door that's come in. They ordered the first one, it came damaged. They sent me pictures of it. I'll try to put them on screen right here. They sent me a second one, still damaged. Actually, the second one was more damaged than the first, right? And then that's the third one that still is damaged. So what do you think's going on? Do you see stuff like that all the time?
All the time. Especially cars like that, you know. Can't keep delaying it. We have to just go with it.
That just sucks.
Yeah. I mean, we could have fixed the first door and probably you have your car back already, but you know,
dude, that really sucks to hear that. So now, the ETA I am being estimated is September 27th. Whether that actually happens,
and we get that shit done in 2 weeks. Once you get that quartered off, 2 weeks.
I'll try to figure out a way to maybe get some of that footage, but maybe they don't want, you know, the repair process shown. We'll see. We'll see.
I mean, we can get it.
I can. Oh yeah, definitely when Marco has it, I'll get footage of that. You know, him painting it. But. So that's really the only update on the BRZ. Other than that, yes, I have been paying attention to all the RTV talk around the town, and I'm not sure how I feel about that, because from what I understand with the RTV thing, if you want Toyota and Subaru, they're kind of in denial, and because of that, they don't want to go ahead and drop the oil pan and check for the RTV issue.
What's that?
Whoa. For free. They want to charge you for it because they haven't officially recognized it as a legit problem yet, like a defect. So it's either you pay out of pocket for Toyota or Subaru to do that and check, or you bring it to a private mechanic or do it yourself. So since I have one of the early models, I have number 111 that was brought to the US. So I probably have that issue. I'm sure I'm gonna get a lot of dislikes on this video just for mentioning that problem because people are little babies, but I thought I would share my thoughts on it. I haven't really given you life updates in a while. I have been going ham collecting Halo action figures. So, I mean, I have so many that I need to unbox. This is one of the new 2-packs for the Spartan Collection. And then there's a brand new line called the Deluxe Spartan Collection. So these are like $35 each, which is kind of a lot. I think they should be $30, but whatever. I'm obsessed, so I'm gonna pay whatever the MSRP is. This is like an 8-inch tall Arbiter, which is insane. And then a while ago, I think on Mercari, I got this, all this together for super cheap. This is the one I really wanted, but scalpers are charging like $25, $30, $35 for this alone. And I got these 3 for $12. So, I mean, it made out pretty good. This right here is like one of my new prized possessions. This is a Halo 1 Sergeant Johnson. Absolutely epic. This guy, dude, I made out like a bandit. On Facebook Marketplace, I found that Sergeant Johnson and this guy right here together for $40. No joke, which is crazy because Sergeant Johnson alone, people are asking like $150 for those guys. And for this, people are probably asking like, I don't know, $100 at least. I mean, these unopened Halo 1 figures from Joyride Studios are very hard to find. And then back to the newer figures, I have George. I got this one as well. This is Wave 6, so these just came out. I don't really remember what game Linda's from. I should know that because I play Halo all the time, but I don't pay attention. This thing, and then a Halo 4 Master Chief, because why not? I have way too many Chiefs, so I'm really not gonna buy any more Halo Infinite Chiefs. I already have that one down there. I have that Halo Infinite Master Chief with a Halo Combat Evolved one, and I have that one. Oh, also, I forgot. This one is epic. This is probably my favorite one that I've gotten recently. This is a Halo 3 Master Chief with a flamethrower and a Flood tank form. The Flood tank forms, I think they were exclusively in Halo 3. I don't think they were in Halo 2. But right here, this is all of Series 5 for the World of Halo figures. And what really sucks is that these have only been available in Canada so far. But this one specifically just popped up on Amazon like a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. It'll be in stock for like a few minutes, and then they're out of stock because all of us halo collectors are right on them. And then I also got this cat here. Her name is Cleocatra. Cleo, say hi. Okay. And now I'm gonna do a little experiment, and we're gonna go try it out actually. This is my GoPro Hero 8. I have had this for, well, ever since my GoPro Hero 7 got stolen out of the Tencent Sipkasai. Comment down below if you guys remember that. That was like 2.5 years ago. That's when me and Vivian were living in Citrus Heights, California, and I left my car unlocked. That was when it was wrapped blue. Anyway, I've had this since then, and this is always my go-to. I have the GoPro Hero 9 Black. I haven't gotten the 10 yet. I prefer this over the 9. But the crappy thing about GoPros is the audio. They don't capture the best audio. And it takes a lot of editing for me to get the GoPro audio to sound like half decent. I picked up these little things from Amazon, Micro Windjammer. So they've got a little circle cutout there, and that is what I'm going to put on this microphone. I'm gonna go take a lap on the scooter right now, give you guys a little footage, and then we're gonna come back, put the Windjammer on, and try it again. Guys, I am so in love with the scooter. This thing is amazing. Right before I posted the last video, I went on Segway's website, and they had a 10% off coupon, so I paid $809 for the scooter. Taxes were $60, so $870 out the door, which it's not bad. I mean, I got one brand new for $725 cash, and I got one of them for $90 off. We're on. I'm gonna be in drive, so we're gonna try it at 15 miles an hour first. See how we do. The GoPro is on, the wind setting is on auto, so GoPro's doing its best to like filter out the wind noise. We'll see what happens. I'm driving with one hand. I probably shouldn't be, but this is 15 miles an hour. Now let's try sport mode. Dude, sport mode picks up. 17. This is 19 miles an hour. It's so peaceful out here right now. Let's go put on the Windjammer and see how it does now. With the Windjammer on, I think I'm supposed to go in and take off the auto wind filter. Well, let's see if this makes a difference. I guess I'm starting off in sport mode. So we're gonna go right into it, 19 miles an hour. Also, I wanna take you and show you guys some of the houses down there. I know I've mentioned a couple times that I wanna have like a 3-car wide driveway put in. There are several houses down there that only have 2-car garages just like us, and they have a 3-car width driveway. That's really hard for me to say. Okay, so I have no idea if this little Windjammer worked or not because I haven't edited the video yet, but that's what I'm talking about right there. That has 3-car wide. Also, that one's only 2. That one's 3 over there though. Looks really good. Let's see if we can find some more. I mean, this one is 3, but it also has a 3rd garage unit, so. Hey, if any of you in the Riverview, Brandon area want to be my neighbor, this house is for sale right here. I really hope this Windjammer is working. That would help out a lot. Oh, there's another one. Whoa, buddy, slow down. Slow down.